Round 2. Manual. Well, it's automatic takeoff no matter what I do. Alrighty, so you push that. It's in takeoff mode. Far out. And look away. Let him do his thing. Now this is cool. Now this is pod racing. Oh, he's in a right-hand orbit this time. I think, was it left last time? Meow. Okay, let's take him out of the orbit. Okay, we're out of the orbit. Giving him speed and altitude. And I could test his ability to return to home. Oh, when he gets that on, his Wi-Fi does not do so well. Where is he? I don't even know where he is. There he is. Coming for a fast pass. Sneaky pass, as they call it. Sneaky boy. Clever girl. Like a little lawnmower. See, on 52%, he's doing well. Sneaky pass. This is a very... Oh, look at those. That is an epic stabilization going on there. Let's go find our plane friend up top. Okay. Now, I want to auto land him. I give him... How do I land this thing myself? Okay, it's going to land it straight from over this field over here. Bring it down. A little bit left. Oop. Nothing in the way. Just lost it there. Ah, it's such a goddamn camera, isn't it? Okay, that is into wind as I've ever seen it. No, that's not linear. Woo! And it knows to stop filming. Right, I'll probably get better at landing. That's still freaking epic. I'm getting killed. Oh my god, how snaky is this shit? Alright, so what I've learned there is... Oh, Jesus Christ. One, this is the best place to... Woohoo! Sneaky. Okay, you fly.